Hey guys, today I am at the Mud House Museum and behind me are 3 different styles of mud houses. We're going to go to each of those mud houses and check out what's special about them and which is the kind of mud house that you might want to build. Now I'm on to another mud house today, and that is called the double brick design. I mean, that's at least what the local people here call it. And it simply means that it's got a thickness of 2 bricks on the wall. So let's go take a look. So if you come over this way, here you can see the thickness of the double brick design, right? There's one more spot and I'm going to show that to you too. But here you can see how thick the wall is, right? So this is could be about 50 centimeters, half a meter thick, right? And another thing is the temperature difference. So if you take a look at this, we're doing about 31 to 32 degrees Celsius out here. And don't forget, that is already in the shade of the mud house. So it is already a little cooler in there. Let's go inside. Over this way, and we're down to about 27 degrees Celsius in temperature. You can see the difference in temperature just because of the double brick design. So what is special about this house is the fact that the roof is also made of mud. In several houses, in the mud house at our land, we've used tin sheet and another house that I'm going to link to, the modern house design. That one had roofing tiles on top of it. But in this case, they have used mud on the roof. And how they did that is, first of all, by building a triangular house design, right? So usual houses would have this design, and you can see how that works out. You've got the central pillars holding up the roof, right? And then you've got little structures going out towards the sides, right? So, and then in between that, what they've used is they've used bamboo lattice. So bamboo connected like that in between, and then they've put mud on top of the roof, and that way the roof is completely made out of mud. That helps in temperature control at a totally different level. One thing I really like about this mud house is bamboo windows, and you can see that this is so amazing to look at. So first of all is the fact that it's bamboo all over. The whole frame itself is bamboo. And then you've got 2 separate bamboo windows. And how they open up, first of all, it's how they're made. So what you're looking at inside over here, like these over here, is by taking one piece of bamboo and completely opening it up. And this is what you get. You get this very cool looking inside of the bamboo look, right? And from the other side, of course, you can see the outside of the bamboo completely opened up, right? Again, the lock system is so cool. It's also a piece of bamboo. Just want to point that out, right? Very cool piece of bamboo that is put over here. And then you're given a stick over here, and the stick then reaches out like that and then fits over there. Right, that is so cool. Again, this one's also the same, right? That goes up there, that goes there, and wow! Bamboo windows. Hey, well, let's check out the bathroom in the meantime. So this mud house, the double brick house, as they call it, has got a bathroom built into it, unlike the modern house that we checked out in our last video. So this one, now this one has a little different design. Now they realize that one of the problems with mud houses is bathrooms, where they're also made of mud, and you're continuously using water. All that splashing of water, right, causes damage to the mud and eventually you have to rework the bathroom, right? So the way you can solve that is to use concrete. In this case, there is about a 1-inch layer of concrete on the outside of this of the mud house, and they've used pieces of rocks that they have found from the area to stuff into here, right? Once again, this is a mud house museum that I'm at, so they really want to show how the mud bricks are laid out. Here, the architects really wants to focus on the fact that when you are laying out your mud bricks, it's very important to make sure that the mud brick on top covers half of the 2 mud bricks below that. Just like in this case, these 2 cover 1 of the bricks below that, right? So in a zigzag interlocked pattern. And that's really important because that's what gives your mud house that extra strength, right? And the same thing should happen at the corners of houses, and we'll try to include a link above. When we were building the Overland mud house, it's very important when it comes to the corners that the bricks are interlocked like that, right? So it shouldn't be, they shouldn't just be meeting like that, they should be interlocked with each other, and that's what gives a mud house that extra strength.